Don't feel like reading? Well, this summary with Sunny will help you out. Hey, I'm your host, Singh. I'm with KEES Lending. And in this summary with Sunny, I just wanted to share with you this article down here. Instead of reading it, you could just watch this quick video.
You've built your own business, you've got solid income coming in. But when you walk into a bank, they act like you're asking for a favor. If you're self-employed, you know the feeling. Lenders look at your tax returns, see all those business deductions, and suddenly think you can't afford a mortgage. But here's the secret most people don't know. With the right strategy, you can flip the script. You can actually make lenders compete for your business. See, the issue isn't your income. It's how lenders see your income. Traditional banks only care about your net taxable income, not your actual cash flow. So even if you're making great money, all those legitimate write-offs, your office space, your car, your marketing costs, make it look like you earn way less than you do. That's why so many entrepreneurs and freelancers get turned down. You're not high risk. You just don't fit their cookie-cutter system. Now, here's where it gets good. Non-QM or non-qualified mortgage programs are rewriting the rules. These loans were built for people like you, business owners, freelancers, investors, anyone whose income doesn't come with a W-2 attached. Instead of focusing on your tax returns, these lenders look at your bank deposits. 12 to 24 months of your business or personal bank statements show your true income story. They see the money coming in every month, not what your CPA writes off. There are also P&L only loans, where a CPA prepared profit and loss statement can be enough. Or asset-based loans, where your savings or investments count as qualifying income. For investors, DSCR loans qualify you based on the property's cash flow, not your personal income. And once you know your options, that's when the real power kicks in. You don't have to beg for approval. You can shop lenders against each other. Here's how. First, get pre-qualified with multiple non-QM lenders. Some specialize in bank statements, others in asset-based loans. Then, let them know you're comparing offers. If one lender knows another is competing for your business, they'll sharpen their pencil fast. Ask for fee waivers, lender credits, better rates. These are all negotiable. And if you time your application toward the end of the month or quarter, lenders are trying to hit quotas. That's when deals get even sweeter. Bottom line, being self-employed shouldn't make you a second-class borrower. With the right documentation, the right lender, and a smart strategy, you can turn your entrepreneurial story into a selling point, not a setback. At KEES Lending, we help business owners and freelancers package their income the right way, match them with the right non-QM programs, and make lenders compete for you. If you're ready to stop begging for approval and start commanding the best offers, reach out today. Let's get you the mortgage and the respect you've earned.